Well, how do there, chums? 'Tis I, Captain of the Steves, and today, chums, something pretty darn awesome has arrived to catered. So, chums, I ordered a new keyboard. This is the 8BitDo keyboard, and I've gone for the Super Famicom look, mainly because it's red, white, and black. Sort of matches my logo colours, I guess. This is my old keyboard. It's an old Logitech keyboard. And yeah, it's just a cheap and cheerful keyboard. I think it's about time that I got myself this lovely fandangly upgrade. And you can see here it's got these giant buttons as well. I'm hoping to program one for record and the other one to screenshot or something along those lines. But yeah, I can't wait to get this open and get it set up. Righto, so I'll get doing that. Okay, so I've opened up the box, and as you can see here, there's quite a lot of foam inside of there. It's well packaged, I just wanted to point that out. Okay, so in the box, obviously you get the keyboard. You can get yourself a cable to connect it all. You get some gnarly sticky ass to stick on your buttons, and you get the instructions. Obviously you get the instructions, there's some more underneath that cable. So yeah, now to get it plugged in, get it all set up. I'm really liking my animated desktops as well. I mean, that is my desktop. And it moves. It's freaking awesome. Yeah, that's a wallpaper engine. You can get it on Steam. Now, something to note, you don't have to use the cabled connection. You can use Bluetooth or 2.4G wireless mode as well. And you do get the 8BitDo dongle with this too. And I'll show you where that is. So if you flip the thing over, it's on the reverse. So here's the 8BitDo dongle, and it just slides out of there. And it has got like a magnetic return. It is quite a nice little click as it goes back in. So I followed these simple instructions. So you press the star key, and then you press your sort of like combo buttons, and you can program them to these. So this is really quite cool. There's the little star button up there. So on my Studio OBS, I've got a shortcut key for Control F12 to start recording and Control F12 to stop recording. So now, when I press these buttons, you watch this. So if I just press the button down there, it's now recording. If I press the other button, it stops recording. Oh, that is so awesome. Look, yes. I mean, the keyboard is pretty clicky. But you know, I play anyway with my 8BitDo joypad. So I've got 8BitDo joypads. I've got an 8BitDo keyboard. I'm getting proper 8BitDo'd up. I really like 8BitDo as an actual manufacturer. They've got this retro-esque vibe and they've nailed it. I really like this. This is fantastic. Very, very impressed with this. I mean, if you don't like clackety clickety keyboards, I mean, it's not extreme, it's not super bad. I mean, here's my old one. It sounds a little bit more hollow. This one feels a little bit more clicky and precise. This feels like an old school Amiga. It feels like my Amiga 1200. It's beautiful. Obviously, if you're a gamer though, it's not really a gamer's keyboard, you know, because every time you're pressing to move around, it's going to make a lot of noise unless you put up a noise gate on your microphone, which I've got a quadcast microphone there, which is a very cool microphone. But even still, it's going to take effort to drown out the sound of the keys. So if you're a gamer, maybe not the best keyboard for you for gaming, but at the same time, this is such a beautiful thing for me just doing streaming. For somebody that plays on joypad, I'm more than happy. If you want to see my review of the 8BitDo joypads, because I've got two, you can see there, you see the YXBA, it's a different configuration to there. This is more for the Nintendo Switch, this is more for the Xbox. So yeah, I'm hoping to get the Switch too and use this joypad with it. And this is my PC gaming pad. So anyway, people in the viewerverse, that's my 8BitDo unboxing and first initial impressions, and I am blown away. I really like it. I think this is perfect for me. Obviously do your own research, look into it, see if it's for you, but if you do want it, I have got a link inside the video description. There's no money off or anything like that. They didn't sponsor me for this. I bought this out of my own pennies, out of my own pocket. Yes. Same with the 8BitDo joypads. But you know, 8BitDo might see this and they might reach out to me and say, oh, we like your style. That'd be freaking awesome, wouldn't it? Because you can tell that I love all things retro. I've got a blinking Ed 209 and Pac-Man lights behind me. Oh, and a Johnny 5 that I 3D printed. Let me show you that close up because it's awesome. So here's my Johnny 5 from Short Circuit that I 3D printed myself. Very lovely indeed. And then I hand painted it, of course. Ah, look at that. It's the bad guy, the general in Starcom. That figure there is super collectible. Yeah, I also love Displate. But anyway, enough of my geekiness. Bonus points if you know where those figures are from. So anyway, people in the viewerverse, that's my 8BitDo keyboard, and I thoroughly love it. I think it's beautiful. It's a piece of art, retro art. Until next time, goodbye, and goodbye again.